What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Pokey Wheels. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Today we got some Evolving Skies. Just a quick little video. I got a couple blisters and ETB I wanted to open up. Hope y'all enjoy the channel. Always remember to smash the like button, subscribe. Alright, here we go. Here's the two blister packs I got and the ETBs. Always remember, if you want some code cards, I'll give out all my code cards. I got some extra ones right here for you. I'll give out the end of the video. Go ahead and open these up right quick. I did take off the plastic of the ETB. Didn't want to take so long with that, so I went ahead and took that off. But here's the code card for this one, and there's the promo card. Here's the code card for this one right here, and the Eevee promo card. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Here's the book. Everything's still in it. See? Alright, here's the packs. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, including our 2 ETB pack. Blister pack, sorry. Here's our sleeve that we use today. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Here's all the packs right here. And here we go. Alright, first pack up. Can we get any evolutions? I think we're also looking for any of the Rayquazas. Alright, here we go. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Alright. I hope y'all do enjoy the channel. If y'all got any ideas, anything you want me to open up, let me know. I'll see if I can get it. Alright, Woobat. Reverse. There we go. Pretty good first pull right there. Galarian Zapdos holographic. Okay. Alright. ETB's hopefully gonna give us some fire today. Alright, let's see. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy. Toy Catcher. Trainer. Alright. Rufflet. Drowsy. That's a crazy looking Drowsy. Alright. Psyduck. Reverse. The Ampharos non-holographic. Ooh, I'm knocking stuff around over here. I do apologize if I do mess up on any of the Pokemon's names. Dang, this pack don't want to open up for me today. Alright, code card. Ooh, sorry, upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Lucky Ice Pops, or Ice Pop. Scraffy. Alright, Hitmonchan. Sloth. Alright. Pikachu. There we go. Oop. Reverse. There we go right there. That's what I'm talking about. A Glaceon VMAX. Go ahead and sleeve this up with these. We gotta have the Evolution sleeves for the Evolution. There we go right there. Oop, a little hard to get in there. See if we can see it a little bit better. Glaceon full art. There we go. Put that to the side. Let's see if we can keep this fire going right here. Can we get any more of the Evolutions? Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Dropped the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Scrappy. Alright, Crystal Cave. Love Disc. Alright, Hippopotamus. Oop, sorry. Psyduck. Reverse. Fletchling. Non-holographic rare, but that is alright. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this next pack right here. If I can get it open. Alright. Code card for anybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Lightning Energy. Alright. Shogun. Woobat. Dribble. Mareep. That is a Crazy Drowsy. Scrappy. Feebas. Reverse Hitmonchan. And there we go, a Zoroark holographic. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Alright, we got about 3 more packs of the ETB, and then we got the 2 single blisters. Let's see if they can get us anything. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Energy. Rescue Carrier. Tentacool. Alright, there we go. Mareep. Wobbuffet. Sharpedo. Reverse. And that is a Crazy Grandpa right there. It ain't a holographic, but it sure looks like it. Alright. Next pack. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Fire Energy. Alright, Switching Cups. Love Disc. C-Dot. There's a Sloth. Oh, sorry. Carnivine. Rescue Carrier. And a non-holographic rare. Okay. Last pack for the ETB. See if we can get a little bit of last pack magic for that. Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Oops. Sorry. Switching Cups. Tentacruel. Latias. Alright. Teddiursa. Mareep. Zora. Ambrose. Reverse. And another non-holographic rare. Okay, that is alright. We do have the last 2 of the blister packs that I got. Let's see. Can we get anything out of these? Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Rubber Gloves. Copycat. Alright. There we go. Feebas. Alright. Hippopotamus. Lippup. Nickit. Reverse. There we go. A Wishy-Washy. Well, it's not a holographic, but that is alright. Okay, last pack magic. Can we get anything good out of it? If I get the last pack open here. Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Energy. Stormy Mountains. Golduck. There we go. Ain't seen that one yet. Wobbuffet. Love Disc. Dribble. Alright, oops, sorry. Zoro. Reverse Mareep. And another holographic rare. But that is alright. We do have, like I said, I did have some extra code cards for you. Just wanted to take one last look at the Glaceon VMAX. That is a gorgeous card right there. Get that in focus real good. Here we go. I got some extra code cards for anybody. There we go. Alright. They're just from just random packs me and my wife opened up. Alright. We'll have some for the next video as well, so y'all stay tuned. There you go right there. Alright, there you have it. A short little video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Always remember to smash the like button, subscribe. It helps out the channel. I'm recording this on a Saturday, so I hope y'all enjoy y'all's weekend. I'll probably post it during the week. But hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all on the next one.